Hello everyone, I'm Ari. Welcome back to my channel. You know that here we talk about artificial intelligence, and today I'm bringing you a video where I use artificial intelligence to help me with everyday tasks. You're going to see 3 sections. In the first one, we're going to build a complete weekly meal plan. In the second section, we're going to create a personalized workout based on our needs. And finally, in the third section, we're going to see how to organize a trip with both flight and hotel booked. I'm going to show you which AI I use in each case and why, and I'll also share the prompts so you can do it yourselves. I won't keep you waiting any longer, so let's get started. In this first section, what you're going to see is the option for a weekly menu with the prices indicated for each case. And I've also asked it to create a weekly menu based on the specific characteristics of the person with specific calories and macronutrients. For the first task, we're going to use ChatGPT, okay? And we're going to ask it to create the weekly diet, the weekly menu that we wanted. We're going to use the following prompt. You can modify it, of course, according to your needs, obviously, but basically it would be the following. Act as a nutritionist and expert in household savings. I need a weekly menu from Monday to Sunday with lunch and dinner. You can modify it, of course, according to your needs, obviously, but basically it would be the following. Act as a nutritionist and expert in household savings. I need a weekly menu from Monday to Sunday with lunch and dinner for 2 adults and with a maximum budget of 50 euros per week. The goal? To eat healthy, high in protein, easy to cook in less than 30 minutes. Restrictions? Lactose-free. 1. The menu give me. Restrictions? Lactose-free. Give me the daily menu, day by day, the shopping list grouped by categories, and an estimate of the total cost. And then leftover recipes to avoid food waste. What do we get? So the weekly menu from Monday to Sunday with 1 lunch and 1 dinner per day, right? Then we would have the shopping list grouped by categories as we requested, like the produce section, and it also shows us the price by category. Then it tells us the quantities we need to buy. 2 kilos of onions, 1 kilo of carrots, so that we buy exactly what we need and neither go over nor fall short. The same goes for the butcher, the fishmonger, canned goods with everything. Then finally, it gives us the estimated cost, which is about 49 euros, meaning it fits within the 50 euro budget we requested. And lastly, it gives us the leftover recipes we had asked for. What else could we do? Imagine that I am someone with a slightly more specific goal, right? Who wants a slightly more personalized diet, which is what a nutritionist would do for us. I'm going to make up a scenario, okay? And I'm going to say, calculate the daily kilocalories I need as a 34-year-old man. I'm 1 meter 76 tall and weigh 70 kilos. My goal is to gain some muscle mass. Make me a detailed diet with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, indicating the portions and giving me a shopping list grouped by categories with an estimate of the total cost. So it tells us that in our case, what we should eat is about 2,700 calories per day. Macronutrients? Macronutrients are basically proteins, fats, and carbohydrates separately, which we need to eat and which should match the calories assigned to us. Then it gives us the weekly diet. It tells us for breakfast both the exact quantities and the macronutrients that each meal contains. The same goes for lunch and the same for dinner. And then it gives us the information on a weekly basis. Here it hasn't specified the quantities, but we can later ask it to give us the quantities per day. Then there's the shopping list, the approximate cost, about 100 euros, and also the recipes for using leftovers. In this second section, we're going to ask it to create a specific workout for us. Same as before, we're going to give it our personal details, tell it if we have any ailments or if there's any exercise we don't like, whether or not we have access to a gym, and we're going to ask it to create a workout based on the number of days we want to train. It will then put together a routine for us, telling us the sets, repetitions, and rest periods for each exercise, as well as how to organize the week. For the training part, we're going to use Claude because it's more careful and structured, and also, usually it's more sensible when it comes to, for example, advising us to consult a professional if needed. So I've given it the following prompt. As always, you should adapt it to your own personal characteristics. And in this case, I said, act as a certified personal trainer. Design a weekly training routine for a 30-year-old person. Intermediate level. Goal, to gain strength and lose fat. They can train 4 days a week with access to a full gym, with sessions lasting a maximum of 60 minutes. If you can only train at home, just tell it that you can only train at home and it will adapt the routine for you. Keep in mind that I have a slight discomfort in my right knee. Give me a daily routine with sets, repetitions, and rest, alternatives for an exercise in case I don't have the equipment one day, and a progression recommendation for the next 4 weeks. Remind me to consult a health professional before starting if I have any medical concerns. So it gives us the routine and says, Day 1, lower body. It lists the exercises, the repetitions and sets for each exercise, and the rest between sets. Then it also tells us that we should do a mini cardio session. Next, it gives us alternatives without equipment, a home version, or without a gym. Finally, we're going to ask it to create a travel itinerary for us with flights and hotel based on our budget, and also to make an itinerary of things to visit in the city we're going to. I should also mention that there are specific AIs that can plan entire trips for you. If you're interested in this topic, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about different AIs for planning trips. But anyway, in this case, let's see what Gemini offers us. So let's see what it gives us. The prompt we've given it is also completely customizable according to your needs. The one I gave it is, I want to travel from Madrid to Lisbon between August 15th and 18th for 2 people. Maximum total budget of 400 euros, including flights and 3 nights accommodation. Look for the best flight and hotel options with good ratings, at least 4 stars in reviews. Please provide me with 3 distinct travel alternatives ordered from the lowest to the highest price, along with a comprehensive and detailed daily itinerary of what to do each day. It gives us several options for both flight plus accommodation, and clearly specifies for us the exact price in each individual case. It gives us, an economical option, a balanced option, a comfort option, and then provides the suggested itinerary. Here it specifically gives us the flights that are available, the flight times, and the price of each one. And then the hotels, so we can look at them and decide which one we like best. As you can see, it's super comprehensive because it lets you decide absolutely everything and always stays within the budget you've specified. As for the itinerary, it's the same. If it suggests seeing something that you don't like, or if you're interested in seeing something specific, you just mention it and have it modify the itinerary based on your preferences. Well, that's it. As you've seen, artificial intelligence can also be very useful for everyday tasks, for organizing our week, for planning our workouts, for organizing our trips, especially to help us with finances and to keep track of expenses according to our budgets. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful and that it helped you. Let me know in the comments what you think. Give it a like, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.